Creating floral compositions can be tricky when you first start out. So let me show you how to easily create 5 different compositions. We'll be drawing basic shapes using circles, triangles, and oval shapes to define our florals. And we'll also be using these shapes to determine our compositions. These shapes will be the guide of our compositions, and all you have to do is fill them with florals and leaves. You'll want to alternate with larger and smaller florals and also add fillers like leaves, lavender, and berries to make your piece more interesting and fun. If you'd like to watch the real-time tutorial on how to draw these floral compositions, then sign up for the Bloom Creatives today.